Hey guys, this is Adi from Local Outdoor. I just changed my oil here on Nissan Sentra. Uh, yeah, I already reset the oil reminder, but I want to show it to you. If you get the same oil reminder and want to know on the Nissan Sentra how to reset it, so this should be easy. The one that you're doing is you just turn this key to on position and then depress the gas 3 times slowly. So I'm going to show it to you here. So turn this on, depress the gas here slowly. 1, release it, doing it 3 times. 2, release it, last one, 3, release it, and then you turn the key off. Then after that you can turn the engine on, and your oil reminder indicator here should be turned off. Alright, this is just a short video, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, please. Please support me with your subscription. Thanks again. Alright guys, bye now.